Welcome viewers. Today My Startup TV is at an event called GeoSmart India 2021. The event provides a platform to exchange knowledge and gain an insight on using geospatial information for achieving sustainability goals and creating a world we want. This is the first offline event after pandemic, where many companies and startups have taken participated. So let's go and talk to them.
So I'm Amit Mishra, Vice President Wasser Labs, and we are into technology-based solution which gives decision support system for making decisions which make resilience and sustainability possible.
So as Wasser Labs, what is the application of geospatial technology into your business?
Everything is geospatial, because see, anything you want to talk about sustainable development, say whether it's a water, it's agriculture, city infrastructure, everything has a location attribute. Nothing happens without a location. So it's a science of location. That's where the geospatial is the core technology on which we are working on. But obviously it's a data set based technology, right? Again, we have to build a lot of AI ML algorithm on top of that. Then there are certain use cases from different stakeholders. So we are blending together. We are like orchestrating these things to make a solution which can further impact. Like say for example, you talk about flood. So when flood comes, it's a geolocation reference, right? It comes from a certain place. Certain place has certain attributes. But then we do complete AI ML algorithm based platform which basically understand the forecasted weather, understand the current weather, how the water is flowing, accumulating, how much it will inundate in a given situation. And then the complete solution get delivered to the customer to understand the impact of flood and the preventive measures. Just one example.
Tell us about the kind of services that you offer for sustainable development.
So it's basically a solution. So what we are doing is we are building different solutions in the category of land use intelligence. So you can understand how the land is changing over time. Whether it's an encroachment identification, it's a monitoring of your floodplain, it's monitoring of rivers, tributaries, water bodies, anything. So anything related to land use intelligence, that's one category of solution. Other category is the agriculture solution, where we talk about precision farming, like what to sow, when to irrigate, using real-time satellite data to understand how much crop stress is there, how much water is required to irrigate. And then the water side, so you have to manage the whole water holistically. So you have to understand how much water you have, how much water demand is there, and then you have to understand the complete ecosystem of distributing that holistically. So these are different verticals on which we are working.
Given the growing use of geospatial technology and reference to your own sector or the business that you are in, what's the kind of growth are you going to be witnessing, or your estimates are there in your industry?
That will be exponential. So you just think like this.
Put a number to it?
Yeah, I will. So under sustainable development goals, if you try to understand that particular part, under that the water, agriculture and city itself is a $12 trillion business. So you can think about that size. So we are talking about that kind of market size. Nothing less than $1 billion. If you talk about any one goal, whether it's a water, agriculture, and you put together, combine, it's like a big pie. It's just about the industry has to come together because it needs various stakeholders. We can't do it alone. So there is different companies who do data set surveying, who are working on the core field. Then there are different companies who are implementing agencies for such kind of technologies. And then we are the one who are working on the solutioning by taking the data and by understanding the requirement. So it's more like an ecosystem. The geospatial ecosystem has to come together cohesively and then build solutions which can basically participate in this market segment, and that's how we can make it even bigger.
Is India ready for geospatial technology? What I mean by that is, as you said, it requires ecosystem. So is the ecosystem ready in India? If not, how much time will it take?
It's getting ready now. So see, before FAB, there was no geospatial policy. Everything was completely regulated by government.
This year?
Yeah, this itself. So now it's deregulated. So now we are starting democratizing the data sets for geospatial industry. The new policy of remote sensing came into the picture. The new geospatial data collection policy came into the picture. The remote sensing policy came into the picture. So you see, last 6 months has been a lot of lot of progressive efforts came from the government side in the change of policy. So now we see the people will come together, the industry will, frame accordingly. Obviously, there is a long way to go because we have started a bit behind if you talk about the USA and European countries, because a lot of things are regulated given the situation of country and given the kind of geopolitical setup we are into, because it get highly influenced by geopolitical situations. So now we are upgrading ourselves in that. So now we feel that yes, the industry will be ready in coming time. But yeah, we as an Indian have a tendency to cope up very fast. So we will be moving it very fast. The academia is doing better work in providing better, scholars into the geospatial domain. Like if you say IIT Bombay, then your Ramaiah Institute, all the premium triple ITs, they all are now have geospatial in their curriculum with a very advanced course. And industry like us, we are also participating with them to have the better resources. Then there are a lot of knowledge exchange happening between the nations in terms of remote sensing technology, in terms of drone technologies. So we are coping up, and talent, we already have it. We are leading the whole world. You see Twitter, Google, Microsoft.
So as a company, could you talk about some of the key points, like what's your size, what's the revenues you're making, and what's your presence both India and internationally?
So we are a growing company. Being a startup, obviously we are a growing company. There is no commentary specific which I can make on the revenue side. But yes, you can understand that we started with around 5 people in 2014. Now we are around 150 plus people. We started with one client. Now our solution is deployed in 7 different state government. And you can think about, we are working on, just for your reference, Kaleshwaram lift scheme project, which is the world's biggest lift scheme. So lifting around, so it's like lifting a river. Annual 240 TMC of water lifting from surplus region of Godavari and reviving the deficit region of Godavari. So that's a kind of scale we are operating in. So obviously, it's not available anywhere in the world. So those kind of solutions having built in, we have, we are foreseeing the future, that we have more capacity with us, and world is watching us, what we are doing here, and soon it will be, exploding.
Thank you very much, and we wish you all the success. Before I let you go, how was the event?
The event is really great. So the GeoSmart Media is like this is the only body in India which basically collaborates such, the industry professionals together and give us a platform to collaborate and form a potential partnership. So the event has been great. We are participating regularly in this event. Probably all the chapter we participate, and we wish all the best to GeoSmart Media, and we congratulate them for hosting such an awesome event.
MyStartup TV is a channel for entrepreneurs and startups like yours. What are your thoughts? We feature, we are an exclusive channel for startups.
We need such ecosystem as well. Otherwise, we also need a platform to cast our voices, somebody to listen, somebody to broadcast, somebody to unify this world as well. Like the GeoSmart conference, this is like a unification of geospatial media. We also need unification of startups, and a channel like you is like, your people are really putting a milestone in that.
Thank you.
Thank you.